Hubcaps are a decorative metal or plastic disc that snaps or bolts onto and covers the entire face of a wheel. Hubcaps can usually be removed with just a hubcap puller or flat blade screwdriver. Look to see if there is a slot where to pry. If not, carefully work the hubcap puller or flat blade screwdriver under the hubcap at the edge and pry outward. It should pop off with a little effort. You should keep one hand on the hubcap so it does not fall to the ground. Place the hubcap with the decorative facing side up. As a note, wheel covers and hubcaps can be easily damaged. Some Chevy vehicles have lug nut covers or caps. These are strictly decorative. Just simply unscrew them to access the lugs. Once removed, place the hubcap, wheel cover, or lug nut covers in the trunk and show our member where you placed it.